Alright guys, so this is the mystery box that I got earlier today, and we're about to open it and see what is inside of it. Try to open this kind of fast, the battery's dying on the camera. Little wrap. Box inside of a box. I don't know if y'all see that. Holley Terminator, Terminator X, and Terminator X Max. So we've decided to go Holley, y'all. We have all the harness right here. This is freaking insane. Look at that. Never thought I'd have my own Holley system, but here it is. My wideband O2 sensor. This is going to be my new dashboard. It's going to tell me all my stuff on there. And then this right here should be the ECU itself. This is where the money is at right here. Nope. This little thing right here is what cost me so much money. Bam! Look at that. It doesn't say nothing else. Oh no, yeah, it does. Holley Terminator. This right here is going to change the game. It's going to make us be able to tune the car ourselves. It's going to be able to make us go really, really fast in the future and not have any problems with any of the things that we're going to do. No issues with boost, no issues with anything. No matter what we want to do, this little ECU right here is going to be able to take. Anyway guys, we can start the actual video now. This is just a pre-video kind of thing, you know what I mean?
Hola Corillo, en el video de hoy vamos a sacarle el motor al Corollita. In today's video guys, what we're going to be doing is pulling the engine on my 1986 Toyota Corolla because I have a lot of things for it in plan. And well, right now it's about 3:30, 4 o'clock, and I'm going to try to have this engine out by 5:36. Alright, here you are, beautiful. Dang it, who locked it? Oh, come on, open. I need you to open. Thanks, sweetheart. Yes, I'm getting into the passenger side because my driver's door handle broke. Alright, here we go. Bam. Now we jump in the Corolla. All right. Stop. And that's it. All right, here we go. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna try to do is maintain everything intact. I'm gonna take the header off. I'm gonna try to keep the intake, well, the intake's gonna stay on, but I'm gonna try to keep the distributor on. The intake's gonna stay on. Everything's gonna stay on it except for the wiring. And I'm gonna pull the entire engine out like that. Can you stop, please? Go mind your business, go somewhere. Okay, so it is currently 3:54 and we are going to start. And like I said, by 5:30 this engine and transmission will be out of this car. Okay guys, so it kind of probably looks exactly the same, but I took off the motor mounts. They're loose now, both sides. The radiator hoses are no longer there. The intake is no longer there. Just about ready to come out. The only thing we need to do now is actually go inside of the car. Well, first we gotta disconnect. No, we don't have to disconnect the exhaust. Never mind. I gotta come and take this dash apart so I could get the shifter out. And once that's out, take the trans cross member off. And once that is out, then I can pull the engine out. Very, very simple. Alright guys, here we go. Alright, so I just pulled out all the dash and all the interior center dash pieces, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Now, pulled everything out. The transmission itself is now free. All I have to do is take the trans cross member off. Once that comes off, I should be able to pull the transmission and engine straight out. Alright guys, so still working on the Corolla, but we have now disconnected everything. We have gotten the header off, everything's out and disconnected. I'm about to grab the engine hoist, pull it out. I leaked a little bit of transmission fluid, but everything's disconnected underneath the car and engine's ready to come out. So I'm gonna prop you all up real fast and I'm gonna go get the engine hoist. Alright guys, now we can pull the engine out. I forgot the oil cooler lines on it. So now we're gonna actually pull the engine. Alright guys, so back to my cell phone because the G7X actually died. I only have one battery for it at the moment. But anyway, it is now 6 o'clock on the dot. 6 o'clock on the dot and we have the engine pulled. I'm about to show y'all all the way out. Alright guys, what we're going to be doing is loading it up in the Tundra. Yes, I got a tail light out. Yes, the brakes lights are staying on. I don't know why. But check out this cool color match bed liner. Dirty bed, but we're about to put the Corolla engine in there and figure this out. Alright, here we go, guys. Engine and trans coming all the way out. And it is 6 o'clock on the dot. Heck yeah. All right, guys. You saw it first. A 1.5, 2 hour-ish engine and trans pull on a 1986 Corolla. And also, this is the car that Killer Customs has chosen to do paint and body work on. So we're also going to be pulling the interior, but that's going to be tomorrow for another video. We've already pulled one seat out. All we gotta do is pull the other seat and maybe all that trim in there. Other than that, that is all out. We're gonna roll the Corolla onto the trailer later. I'm gonna back up one of the trucks and we're gonna put the engine in the back of it and bring it to the shop in the backyard.
Si quieres arena, sé que estás muy buena y